soft and still. A robin sings on the windowsill. Your laughter lingers, a melody clear. Each note a treasure, each sound so dear. In my hands, a token small, a piece of my heart, the sum of it all. This is my gift, my love for you, wrapped in whispers, bound in truth. No gold, no silver, no fleeting shine, just a mother's heart, forever entwined. I stitched the dawn, wove the sky, threads of dreams where your wings could fly. Each step you take, I feel the ground. Every fall I hear the sound. Yet here I stand, with nothing grand, but a quiet touch and an open hand. The years, they run like rivers wide, but my love flows constant, never hide. This is my gift, my love for you, wrapped in whispers, bound in truth. No gold, no silver, no fleeting shine, just a mother's heart, forever entwined. Take this day, this fleeting sun, 1,000 moments all in one. A lullaby, a cradle's sway, a mother's love on Mother's Day.
The clock keeps ticking, I don't see the sun. Hands worn rough, the day's never done. A pile of papers, a mountain to climb. I traded moments for the weight of time. Forgotten arms, they held me tight. Now I can't recall her voice at night. The years have gone, they stole my sight of her love, her light. Forgotten arms. Cradle once rocked, now buried in dust. Her laughter, a whisper, fading to rust. I chased the bread, the shelter, the fire, but lost the warmth of her soft desire. What was her song? Her hum so low. Did she call my name? I'll never know. Forgotten arms, they held me tight. Now I can't recall her voice at night. The years have gone, they stole my sight of her love, her light, forgotten arms. A house of stone, no voices fill the halls. Her photo stares framed upon the wall. I built these walls, but lost my way. Her touch, her care, gone with the day. Cobblestones under my weary feet, 1,000 nights, the echoes repeat, the same, the rhyme, the ancient walls, but none can answer my heart's calls. A map of years carved in my face, but it's her voice that leads my chase. I'm coming home where love still waits, through open doors, past heaven's gates. I've crossed the world, but I've always known I was never lost, just finding Cathedral sang, but I missed her hymn, her laughter bright, my guiding dim. The Alps stood high, but higher still, the pull of her heart, the strength of will, the children's laughter, a distant bell calling me back from where love still waits, through open doors, past heaven's gates. I've crossed the world, but I've always known I was never lost, just finding bersama dirimu di pangkuan selalu. Kasih sayangmu melekat selalu utuh. Bila ku jatuh, kau angkat kembali. Tak pernah rela bila aku terluka, bagai bayangan iringi langkahku.
Kau terangi malam
yang gelap gulita dengan bercerita tentang kisah bawang merah
dan bawang putih.
Kau sinari malam berganti, usia senjamu
datang pasti, langkahku kini berarti darimu. Ibu, langkahku kini berarti. Ibu,
kau terangi malam yang gelap gulita dengan bercerita tentang kisah bawang merah dan bawang putih. Kau sinari malam dengan pelita hati, dan kau bingkiskan doa-doa untuk diriku sepenuh hati. Musim berganti, usia senjamu datang pasti, langkahku kini berarti darimu.